Hello everyone. We have a problem that 9 power 7 plus 9 power 7 plus 9 power 7 is equal to 3 power x, and we have to find the value of x. Now let's move towards the solution. We know that 9 is equal to 3 square, so we are going to write here 3 square power 7 plus 3 square power 7 plus 3 square power 7, that is equal to 3 power x. Now we can write it as 3 power 2 into 7 is 14 plus 3 power 14 plus 3 power 14 is equal to 3 power x. Taking 3 power 14 common, we will get here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 power x. This is 3 power 14 into 3, which is equal to 3 power x. We can write here the power as 1. So it can be written as 3 power 14 plus 1 is equal to 3 power x. This is 3 power 15 is equal to 3 power x. As two terms are equal and their bases are same, so their exponent will be same. So this implies that x is equal to 15, which is the required answer. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.